church. So, what you are about to see is a collection of people's testimonies and experiences of growth while they've been at Pottersville Assembly. I hope you enjoy.
This is AC here, representing the Kenneth family. I just want to thank God for Pottersville Assembly.
Sorry, I forgot. What do I say? We're children's.
My name is Braylon, and this is my third year in Pottersville Assembly. I've been a part of the worship team and children's ministry leadership.
No, I can't do this.
Hey guys, I'm Dee Dee. So I'm a member of the Pottersville Assembly Church. I've been going here for a few years now.
Being at Pottersville Assembly, I've learned a lot here. Pastor, what's your last name?
Damachuku.
Damachuku.
Yeah.
Damachuku. Alright, yeah.
At Pottersville Assembly, this is Arambi. I hope you're all enjoying the 10th anniversary celebration. I wish I could be there with you all celebrating, so I'll just have to send in my congratulations and gratitude from a couple hundred miles away out here in Boston.
I thank God for what He's doing in this church and for what He's using His children to do. And I thank Him for my family and the health He has given us.
Okay, we're children's church leaders. Okay, good afternoon everyone. My name is Ngozi Ogwenu and I've been a member of Pottersville Assembly for about 4 years now.
It's been great being at this church. I just wanted to say thank you to the pastor for everything he's done for us and the church.
I have grown spiritually. That's what I was trying to say.
Grown spiritually so much. That's what I was trying to say.
Okay.
Take 3.
I met some really cool people here, right? You know, it's really family oriented here. Everyone, you know, loves each other, loves God. It's a really nice place to be. I've met a lot of cool people, a lot of cool friends.
It's been good, it's been cool.
My experience has been one of emotional support and growth and faith, and I am so thankful.
I just want to express how grateful I am for Pottersville and the work that you've done in the lives of my family and my own life. 2018 was a very challenging year for us, and we were going through a lot of different hardships and challenges. And every step of the way, Pottersville was there to remind us that there was something greater that we could put our faith in.
Being at Pottersville taught me a lot. Our pastor preaches really well, and I love the family atmosphere. I love coming here every Sunday.
Since my membership in this fellowship, I have matured and continue to mature. This church has been a blessing to me spiritually, physically, and emotionally. And I just thank God for the leadership that we have.
By being children's church leaders, we've learned a lot of things like how to take care of kids and how to be teachers. And it's given us another level of maturity that we've gained through this church.
We're happy that we're able to have an impact on these kids' lives as they're growing closer to God.
And I'm so happy that I'm a member. I feel like it's helped me grow spiritually, emotionally, everything. I'm so grateful for all the members that have been here and they've been helping me as well. I appreciate all you guys' prayers. I'm also a member of the children's ministry and also worship team.
And I'm so appreciative, and I'm looking forward to celebrating the next anniversary with you all in person.
Pottersville Assembly is a family. It's a place where people can come to grow deeper in their knowledge of God, and where everybody has a role to play in worshiping God.
So yeah, it's been nice, you know, being a part of this community. So come join us, I guess.
I continue to pray for God to keep us alive and to guide us in everything we're doing and to make a way where there's no way and to always cover us with His precious blood of Jesus. And I pray for this church to keep growing and bringing soul to God. Amen.
Woohoo! Go God and Jesus!
So, how have I grown at Pottersville Assembly? I think that one could say that for me, being a part of this church has been one of the most influential aspects in my life. It has taught me about responsibility, discipline, and serving, not just for the sake of others, but for the sake of God. And I am eternally grateful for the lessons that I have learned here, and I know that they will carry me on into the future that God has for me. And I'm sure that everybody else at this church can say the same.